Hello kids, today we learn about the concept of bigger. Let's start the video. Which one is bigger? Mouse, elephant. Elephant. Which one is smaller? Ball, marble. Marble. Which one look bigger in the sky? Sun. Sun. Which one is bigger? Tree or plant? Tree. Tree is bigger. Which one is smaller? Dog or elephant? Yes, dog is smaller. Which one is bigger? Bus or car? Bus. Bus is bigger. Which one is bigger? Pencil, razor? Pencil. Which one is bigger? Rocket or airplane? Airplane. Which one is smaller? Dog or kitten? Kitten. Which one is bigger? House or tent? House are bigger. Which one is smaller? Pumpkin or tomato? Tomato. Tomato is smaller.